fight, we will. Still all the guns of the foe and still get ready. Airborne.
Thank you for sharing, and subscribing. It's free for you, but it really helps out the channel. And today on Have a Knife Day, we're on day 2 of Blade Show Atlanta. We are here at the booth of Curt Zimmermann Custom Knives. Curt is going to go over some knives that he made for the show and quite possibly could end up in your collection. So Curt, let's take a look at your blades.
Sure, absolutely.
Now, this knife is so very eye-catching because this Damascus is fantastic.
Well, thank you. We built this knife the first of the season for the Oklahoma show. It's been to 3 shows. It's won 2 best of shows, and the other show that it wound up winning its category.
So you're saying is that it needs a good forever home?
Yes, it does. Yeah, it's been officially retired from the show part of it. I mean, judging, so time to move on.
And now we come over here to these folding knives, and you got feather Damascus and all different kinds too.
Yeah, it's something that I really enjoy is building the Damascus end of it and trying to come up with all new patterns all the time. And
so you were doing your own Damascus?
Oh yes, I do. These knives are 100% me. Yep. Yeah. So.
And what are the handle materials on these 2 knives?
Okay, these 2 are walrus. The 3 fixed blades are all walrus.
That is beautiful, beautiful stuff. So now on your way over to click the subscribe button, you're going to go to descriptions and you're going to find all the links to contact Curt Zimmermann. Of course, if you see anything you like, looking's good, but buying's better, and it'd look beautiful in your pocket on your hip.
Yeah,
Curt,
that's for sure.
You have a beautiful show. Stay sharp.
Yes,
Don't
sir.
take no for an answer.
Yes, sir.
And have a knife day.
Thank you, buddy. I appreciate it.
Fight, we will.